this one. So we have like everything is done. I somehow lost all my stitch markers. So I'm going to get started on these. Hey guys, this is Anisha and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. It's been quite some time since I've vlogged. So yeah, here I am. So today is 29th of March. It's like 3 months have just flown by. But anyways, we do have some plans for today. First things first, I have like a little diary in which I write what I want to do the next day. This is the diary basically. It's of 2023 for some reason, but yeah, we are just going to go with it. See, for today we have start vlogging. So yeah, that's done. I also want to finish like this bag you can see right here. This bag has been here forever, like ever since we started reshooting. And then I also want to make like a new mesh market bag because I mean it's summer and you know I have a few idea to pair it with something, so I want to do that. And I have also bought yarn for that specific bag. Then I have been making pouches. So this is like a bag in which I have all the pouches. They are like almost done. I just have to like cut the threads here and there. So we have like a bunch of them which are done. And then I also have like a couple which are like one part is done and then I have to do the other part and join it and stuff. So the plan is to finish it off today. And then I also want to make some octo keychains. Yesterday I picked out couple of colors which I want to do my octo keychain in. And then I also want to clean the space because yeah, it's very dirty. But first things first, we are going to start with making our square for today. If you don't know, I'm doing like this big IPL blanket challenge in which I make a square every day. I'll link the playlist somewhere so you can check the whole playlist out. But yeah, basically I'm creating a square each day. So I need to start creating the square for today and also like make and edit and post the shot of that square as well. So yeah, we are going to start with all of those. First, I would like to show what I have been up to in this past month, I guess, after we finish the Seawoods Almari market. If you haven't seen the vlog, I will also link that in the description somewhere. But yeah, it was great, good vibes all around, and we sold out of the pouches. Like it was one of the best sellers, so I decided to make a lot more. And I also have been making a lot of roses. Like I have not made the entire roses. So this is basically my roses bag. You can see it has a lot of colors I have been making. So to show some of it to you, there is this pink, then we have light pink, we have red, we have 2 shades of red. So yeah, red, and then we have yellow, and I have like 35 of them ready. All the things that are left is make the sepal or whatever that is and then stick it to the stick. So yeah, that's all. And then I also made a lot of sunflower keychains because again, as you guys know, that is the best seller. So I've been making a lot of keychains and the pouches and stuff. So yeah, I just want to continue with that. And we have like 3 days of weekend. Like I think yeah, Monday is a holiday, so we have 3 whole days to make stuff. So I think I'm going to keep going with it, and we are going to start with our heart. So yesterday unfortunately Chennai lost, so we have to make a Bangalore heart, which is in this blood red, chili red, whatever. So this is a bag in which I have like all of the yarn which I use for the IPL blanket. So I'm just going to go around it and search for the red. The one I need is always at the bottom, like here. So yeah, this is the yarn I'm using, and I'm just going to quickly go ahead and make the heart and the square and get it done. And then I'll probably edit the video in the afternoon. I'm not sure about that, but yeah, let's just get this heart made. Okay, so we are done with our red square. So we officially have like a duplicate, like one team that has won 2 matches. So yeah, that is all done. So we can just tick it off our list. And then next, I want to finish this flower that I started last night. And yeah, I think I'll probably finish all of this one. So we have like 4 to do. I have almost through 1, and then we have to join. So we have like 4 to complete. So I'll do that, and then I'll probably cut the threads to it, and then yeah, probably then we'll go to lunch. I'm not sure, but yeah, let's see. That's the plan for now. And yeah, I'm just going to keep doing this. I'm also watching Suits. Like it's been in my list for quite some time now, but I finally got around watching it. So yeah, that's what we are doing, and I just started yesterday. So yeah, please don't give me any spoilers. But yeah, that's the plan. I'm going to keep watching Suits, finish this flowers up, and then we'll have 35 done, I guess. Yeah, 35 done, and then we can move on to other things that we have in our list for today. Okay, so So we are back. It's like 6 p.m. right now. I know I wasted like the whole day. I also spilled some curry on my top. So yeah. But in some good news, we have officially completed all 10 of our pouches right here. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut off the threads, and we can finally move on to this bag which is right here. So yeah, we just wanted to let you guys know. So I'm just going to find my needle because I always seem to lost it in this pouch, and let's just start. So what I do is I just turn this inside out, and most of my threads are already tucked in because I do it as I go. We just have one thread on each of our flower which is need to be weaved in. So I'll do that for all of the pouches that I need to, like in this case there are 10 pouches, so I'll do it for all 10, and then we are going to go ahead and then cut all the threads together, so we just don't have to tuck in one and cut it off, tuck in another, then cut it off. So I'm just going to do step one for all of them together, and then we'll cut it off and yeah, put it inside out, and it will be done, I guess. But yeah, I just need to do it fast so I can move to my bag, because as I told you, it's almost 6. And you know, last night I was thinking like what things I need to do tomorrow, and I was just so enthusiastic that I'm going to get all of this done in the first half tomorrow, and then I'll do some new things, like I'll start a new bag or something in the second half. But yeah, it's never possible because I always wake up at around like 11:30, 12 on a weekend, because yeah, it's a holiday, so I don't like to wake up early because I'm a night owl. So I sleep at like 2 and then wake up at 12, and then half of my time goes just like that, and in the blink of an eye it's like already 12:30, 3:30, 4:30, something like that. But yeah, that being said, oh shit, see, this is what happened when you don't pay attention. So I'm just going to keep doing this, and I'll meet you once all the pouches are done. Okay, so finally we are done with all of it. Everything is done. I have sewed in the end, I've cut the end, so this is finally done, and now we can just put this thing away for a change. So I have like a lot of new colors, as you can see. I made some the other day. This is not a new color, it was there last time, but other than that we have this one was there last time. Then we have gray and white, we have the green shade. Yeah, I think these are the shades that I made in this couple of days. So we are done with 15 of this right now, and now we are going to move ahead, and you guys see this bag which is there for like ages. So now I'm just going to finish this because I want to take this when I go on a vacation. So yeah, let's just remove this bag. So I'll tell you what is wrong with this bag right now. So basically, when I was making the straps, I just made it wrong. Like I made it like a top. Look at it. Like yeah, that's very stupid. So I'm just going to remove the strap, and I'm going to do the straps again. I'll probably do like 5-6 rounds for the strap, and then rest everything is done. Like this bag is done, and it just looks so pretty. It's perfect for the beach. So yeah, let's just get started with that, I guess. Okay. So first things first that we are going to do is remove this baby. I somehow lost all my stitch markers, so I have like 4 remaining which I have put on this bag. I'm just going to speed run through it. Okay, so we did like 40 of the chains here, but I'm not sure which hook I was using. I'm just gonna guess that it was a 5mm. Yeah, most probably it was a 5. So we are just going to stick with a 5. So yeah, this is 40. And then the main thing, we have to put it in this little pink one. So I'm going to do that. Perfect. Yes, this is going good. So I'm just going to keep doing it till we have like 5 or 6 rows around. Also, I was doing like a single crochet around. It's been like, I don't know, months since I decided to make this bag from the scraps which I had like lying around. So I just combined 2 of the colors, like any colors. I did not really had a game plan at the start, and then I thought it's a lot of reds and whites and pinks, like shades of red, and yeah, adding white to it. So I just stuck to it, and yeah, this is how it turned out basically. So I'm just going to keep doing it, and I'll let you guys know. So I have finished like 3 rows of the straps currently, and I don't know. So this is how it's looking like so far. I don't know. It looks good, I feel. Could I have made the straps longer? I don't know, but I wanted it to be a bit higher, so I like how it looks. But we have officially lost yarn chicken here, and I am halfway through the fourth row, I guess. Yeah, I'm halfway through the fourth row. So I do have like more scraps. So I'm going to go ahead and take out my scrap basket and choose what colors I should do next. I also have, it's like 9:30 right now, so I also have to eat dinner. So I think I'll just search for the scraps first because the basket is right like here by the window. So I'm just going to get it quick. Okay, so this is like the scrap yarn basket. There are a lot of other things in it too, but let's just see what colors we can choose. So I can see like there is orange and white and red and yellow, not yellow, pink. There's no purple in it. No. Okay, we have this pink ball, so I can definitely use this because it's on there. Then we also have, oh perfect, so we also have this pink one. I'm going to put it on the side. We have some red. Perfect, we have this red. Look at this, guys, look at this. What is this? Oh my god. So we have this red color. I just want to pick out one. So we have this like maroon color which we were using. It's not coming out, so I'm just going to, what is this? This is like the worst nightmare. Anyways, I'm just going to rip this one out. So we have pulled out like 4 colors, and I'm possibly going to do 5 or 6 rows. So we are at 4 and I want to do 6 rows. Yeah, let's just call it 6. So we have like this 4 colors with us, and we are like going to mismatch these colors and try to finish it. I'm just thinking if we should do like one more color just to be safe. Possibly I'll just also remove this pink color if we need like a color, but I can't see the pink anywhere, but it just matches the vibe, I feel. So yeah, let's just take that one out as well. And yeah, I'm going to now have dinner and we'll continue with this after that. Okay, so the dinner is here. For dinner we are going to have shawarma today. So I've just put the bag on the side. I'm probably going to eat and then we'll continue with this bag. And yeah, I think that will be it for the night. But if I do something else or if I complete the bag, I'll show it to you tomorrow. Hey guys, we are back. It's not Sunday, it's Monday. Yesterday I was out like almost the entire day. We went shopping, got some stuff, and then in the evening watched the match, cried a bit. At this point I'm not even disappointed. I don't know what I am, but I'm just frustrated. Yeah, that's the right word. I'm frustrated with how they are playing. But that being said, it's still early season. I haven't yet made the squares for today because I just don't want to. It's just one of those days where I'm like feeling very lazy. I just want to sleep and do nothing. But I did do like some crocheting yesterday as well as day before when I told you before sleeping, just a little bit. So we did finish our bag, which is right here. It's like, look at this. I don't know if you can see it properly or not, but basically yeah, this is the bag. I mean, I know the handle is a bit smaller than what I would like, but I just feel it looks great like here. So the bag is done. Other thing that I did was I finished 2 little octopus keychain. Like I finished the body of it, so I just have to place the keychain, which I'm going to do right now. And also, you remember in the last yarn haul I told I won't buy any more yarn? Well, that was a lie. I did buy like a couple of new yarns. So this is like a burnt orange shade we had last time. We used it to make the coasters, like the inside of the coaster. So we got a couple of those, and then we also like totally ran out of the yellow color which I use for sunflowers, so I got like a bunch more of those. This is the only thing that my dad rounded up till now. And then we also got a green color because we are running out of that as well. So these are all the essentials one we needed. So I also need to like wound this up using my yarn binder, so we are going to do that as well before we end this video. And the other thing I was working on last night, because I was just frustrated and I did not want to like use my brain much, so I started making some inside of the coaster things, like the base of the coaster. So we finished like 4 of these. So these are like basically inside of the coasters, and then we do the design of whatever color we wish like on the outside. So yeah, these are like 4 done. I'm almost done with the 5th one. It's right, not almost, I started the 5th one basically. So this is like I'm on the 2nd row. So I'll do that obviously later today. So for right now, before we end that video, I need to just put some keychains on this, and then we'll wind up some yarn. And yeah, I think probably that will be it. I think I also made one more octopus, but I did not stuff it or never closed it up, so let me just find it real fast. So this is like the bag in which I put all the yarn that I want to use in like the next couple of days or something. So yeah, this is the octopus I was talking about. It has its eyes and everything. It just need to be stuffed and then I need to close it up. So I'll do that as well. And then yeah, I think that is it. So we will start with finishing our octopus and then I'll put keychains on all three. We'll wind up the yarn. So let's just get started. I also got this new pack of polyfill. It came like, it looked like so thin. I think it had like vacuum in it. So I thought like, why is it so small? It's supposed to be 100 grams, but yeah, it just fellowified and it's great. So I am going to start by stuffing our octos. It's just the one. So I'm just going to start stuffing it. Oh, before doing that, I need to make the wire thingy so I can put the keychain on it. I forgot it on a couple of the first ones that I made, and I do regret it because it took me like considerably more time to, you know, put the keychain holes in. So we are going to do that quickly. It just takes like a couple of minutes to finish it, so might as well do that. So what I do is just chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then cut the yarn and just pull it out, and yeah, I think that is it. Then I take my darning needle, put it from one side, pull the yarn, we'll do the same thing, and then you can see there are 3 little threads hanging. I'll just tie all 3 of them together, like however I want. We'll do it as tightly as we can, and that is it. We have like this little thingy in which we can put our keychain in now. So I'm just going to stuff it all up. I like to half stuff it and then I'll stuff some more later. So yeah, I'm going to take my hook, and just by the way, this clover hooks are working great so far. It's definitely better than the aluminium one, but is it worth for a total beginner? Probably not. You can take like buy it if you crochet a lot, but if you crochet like here and then sometimes, or you're just starting, or you don't know if you're going to continue it in the long run or not, I won't suggest you to buy it. Okay, so I am done with this little cutie. So now we officially have 3. So this 2 probably I'll sell it for higher than, because I just feel this is too small. So this will go in my mini category. So yeah, let's just get the key rings now and we will start attaching the keychain. So we have all 3 of it right here, and this was like the first little eye set that I got. I ran out of the most of the eyes, so I just use it to store some keyring thingies. So I'm just going to get 3 of it out. Okay, so anyways, we have gotten this 3 out. Then I use like this discarded Amul ice cream box because yeah, we are Indian, we do not throw away anything. So this box has a lot of things. It has like this thingy to tighten my keychain. Then we have some wires I use for the flower pots or something like that. And then we have like a bunch of key rings. So we are going to take 3 of those out. I just got like a new set of 150, so there are like a lot in here, and there is this one yarn for some reason. So I'm just going to remove this yarn from here and transfer it to the scrap basket, I guess. So yeah, let's just get to attaching this. So why we do the chain thing is we can just very easily put the ring in this, and then I'll take the rest of the key ring, set it a bit down, take my plier thingy, and that's one done. It's all done. We have all 3 of our keyrings ready to be listed. So yeah, I love the colors. So now the last thing on our agenda, right, will be to wind up the yarn. So I'm going to get started on these. We are officially done with winding all the yarn. I just wound one of the colors because I just don't want all of the colors to be like wounded up and take up space, because I think the circle one thingy, it takes less space. I don't know if that even makes sense, but yeah, this is all done. So I think that's where we are going to end this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this day or days in my life kind of video, let me know in the comment down below. You can also let me know what other kinds of video you would like to see on this channel, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and make sure you're checking out all the IPL related shorts I'm posting every day, because it does take a lot of time and I have put so much efforts into it. So I would really like if you go and check those out as well. And yeah, I will come back to you next week with another fun video. Till then, take care. Bye.